What makes the TBH superior to conventional plastic ball valves is what's inside the TBH itself. The TBH series features a revolutionary and patent-pending sealing system called System2. System2 technology houses the seats in floating seat carriers. When the valve closes, the ball floats downstream and seals our downstream seat like conventional floating ball valves. If this seat is compromised, the upstream seat carrier and seat floats against the ball, resulting in a secondary seal. This also increases the sealing load on the downstream seat, resulting in longer performance and reliability of the seats while maintaining the valve's bidirectional sealing. Internally, the TBH features a blowout-proof stem with dual-stem O-rings for redundant sealing. The TBH series also incorporates engineered PTFE seats for increased sealing area, providing superior opening and closing torque. It also offers smooth functioning for long-lasting operation and no squared balls that allow buildup in the cavity. Then, on the outside, we created an ergonomic handle design constructed from glass-filled polypropylene material with UV inhibitor. The result is a symmetric handle with enhanced strength, gripping, reliability, and durability. The new handle assembly also features a standard lockout plate that accepts padlocks, allowing up to 4 locks to be used. There are no springs or special tools needed, no extra cost or special orders. Additionally, we added windows in the lock plate for easy identification of valve position. The handle and lock plate then mount to the valve stem and rotate in position over an ISO 5211 mounting flange that is molded integral to the valve body. Removing the handle and lock plate allows for easy conversion of the TBH series True Union ball valve to an electrically or pneumatically actuated valve, making it the only thermoplastic ball valve to do so without special kits or adapter plates. To complement the TBH series, Hayward offers a complete range of electric and pneumatic actuators. The TBH series also incorporates a molded-in footpad on all valve sizes as standard. With open slot design, the footpad captures the bolt head, making installation onto a panel or strut fast and easy. There are no special inserts or tools needed. Valve identification can't be any easier. The TBH features easy-to-read molded-in markings on the top flange, plus permanent markings on the body, allowing for identification of size, material type, and mounting pattern, plus more. Additional product assistance is quickly accessed by simply scanning the QR code located on the back side of the valve body. The QR code will pull up the installation, operation, and maintenance manual online. Website address and date code down to the minute are also listed.